Meaning of electrolyte.
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 Electrolyte. An electrolyte is a substance that conducts electricity when dissolved in a solution or melted. In this process, the electrolyte molecules break down into their constituent ions, which move freely within the solution and allow electrical current to flow. Electrolytes are necessary for many biological and chemical processes, including battery operation, neural signaling, and muscle contraction. They can also have important health implications, as imbalances in electrolyte levels can lead to dehydration, muscle cramps, and other serious medical conditions.